Here she is, all flipped over, ready. It's on its trailer. Going around. Now what I'm going to do is just start sanding, and you can see my belt sander there. I'm going inside, like along this trim here, so that this side is not higher than this side. And you can see, for the most part, I don't really have to do it right here. Right here you can see that this needs to be sanded down so that this is the highest point. I started doing it right here. So you can see I sanded this part down, but it still has got to go a little bit farther. So, anyway, that's the boat.